This is a video presentation from Department of Panchakarma, Sindagi Shantavireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Haveri. This video is about applied Panchakarma in Jalodhara. Contents: Introduction, Udara, Nidana Panchaka of Udara, Bedha and Lakshana, Jalodhara as Swatantra Vyadi, Upadrava, Sadhya Asadhyata, Chikitsa Sutra of Jalodhara, Patya and Apatya, lastly, conclusion. Introduction. Udara Roga is one among the Ashtamahagada. Because of Utseda, Sadharmya, it is considered as a type of Shota. Udarotseda Sadharmyad Udaram. The diseases that are manifested in the abdominal cavity causing the distension of abdomen is referred as Udara Roga. In this condition, Agni plays a major role in the manifestation of the disease, where Aprakrita Pakamala and all Malasvarupa is accumulating in the Udara leads to this Vyadi, where Manda Agni, Malina Bhojana and Malasanchaya are considered as main Nidanas. Ayurveda, emphasizing on being healthy, gives the detailed description about the initiation of the disease step by step. If one pays attention to the changes happening inside and outside of the body, anyone can be healthy and it's easy to get healed during early stages. Definition of Udara. Atro Udarasto Rogo Apyu Udara Shabdenochyate. This is said by Vachaspati, meaning diseases which manifests in Udara is termed as Udara. Udara Nidana. Reference Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sana. Madhya Sevi cha yaha syach Guru Snigdam cha bunjate. Dushtam Viruddham Vatamyam Ruksham cha Anne cha Kopakaha. Ativa Abhyavahari cha Yatoktam Nachare Ditam. Ete Dosha Prakopaya Nidanam Jalodarasya cha. Madhya Sevi, one who consumes alcohol on regular basis. Guru Snigdha Bunjate, eats heavy and unctuous foods. Dushta and Viruddha Ahara, consumes spoiled and incompatible or vata-provoking foods. Ativa Abhyavahara, engages in overeating. Etoktam na kared hitam, that is, one who does not follow proper health regimens. All these are the causative factors that lead to the vitiation of doshas and ultimately cause Jalodhara. Samanya Rupa. Tenartha Shushkatala Ushtaha Shunapada Karo Udaraha Nashta Cheshta Bala Aharaha Krushaha Pradmata Kukshayaha Syuhu Pretarupaha Purushaha. Samprapti. Due to mentioned Nidana Sevana, this causes Tridosha Prakopa and Arambaka Dosha Dushti in Rasa, Sweda and Ambuvaha Shrotas. This in turn leads to Prana Agni Apana Sandushti. Through Upasnehavat Annasara repeatedly oozes out through Anuttama Shrotas. Because of Dushta Anila, Pririta takes these Dushta Annasara in between Tvacha and Mamsa of Udara, causing the initiation of the Vyadi, that is Udara. When the person indulging more on Vishesha Nidanas, the Vyadi will attain its Vedavastha. Jalodhara. Reference Ashtanga Hridaya Chikitsa Sthana. Vivruddham Sarvadoshastu Yad Udaram Syad Jalodharam. Tasmin Shrotamsi Santaptam. Gachyantyu Udakavahini. Meaning, when all doshas are aggravated and fluid accumulates in the abdomen. The Udakavaha Shrotas, that is, channels that carry water become obstructed. This is called as Jalodhara, the final form of Udara Roga. There are various Nidanas and Samprapti that will lead to specific Udaras, that is Ashta Udara. Here, the question arises how these different types of Udara leading to Jalodhara. If proper intervention is not done to each Udara, Kalantarena by Paripaka, all Udara will transform to Jalodhara, where the manifestation of Jalodhara as a Paratantra Vyadi. Jalodhara Lakshana. Reference Madhav Nidana, chapter 34. Udara Kampate Nabau Spurati Spandate Brahmaham Sashabdam cha Jaleneva Chalatya Antaha Sameritam. Udaram Spitam Atyartam Pashvayo Shulameva Jalodaram tu Tadneyam Dosha Prakopa Sambhavam. Later stages, if neglected, causes Murcha, Chardi, Atisara, Swasa, Hikka, Aruchitrut, Upaklina, Tanu, Tvacha, Bala, Shonita, Mamsa, Agni, Parikshinam, Kutila Upasta, Shuna Aksha, or Sarva Marmotta Shvayatu. Jalodhara as Swatantra Vyadi. Nidana and Samprapti. Sneha Pitasya Manda Agni, Atyambupanat, Kshinasya Atikrushyasya Va. This triggers Vata, Ambuvaha Shrota Avaroda by Kapha and Udaka Samurchana. This leads to Jalodhara Lakshanas. Understanding Kapha plus Udaka Samurchana. Due to the above Nidanas, Tridosha Prakopa happens. Vata accumulates in Udakavaha Shrota Moolasthana, causes obstruction of the Udakavaha Shrotas, leading to Udaka and Kapha Murchana. Next, Kapha will become Adbhavastha and Ashtiratva. Vidagdhata of Kapha gets Lavana Rasa and Udaka Vriddhi happens. Samprapti Gataka of Jalodhara. Dosha, Tridoshaja, Prana, Agni, Apana. Dushya, Rasa, Udaka and Sweda. Agni, Jatara Agni and Datva Agni. Ama, Jatara Agni, Mandyajanya. Datva Agni, Mandyajanya. Shrotas, Rasavaha Shrotas, Svedavaha Shrotas and Ambuvaha Shrotas. Sanchara, Shiras. Shroto Dushti Prakara, Sanga and Vimarga Gamana. Udbhavasthana, Amashayodbhava, Vyaktasthana, Udara, Tvak, Mamsantara, Adhishtana, Udara, Marga, Abhyantara and Bahaya. Lakshanas. Gamane Ashakti, Daurbalya. This is due to Vata Vriddhi, that is Pranavaha Vata Dushti. Shota, Udaka Vriddhi. This is due to Kapha Dravya Vriddhi. Vata Purisha Sanga. This is due to Apana Dushti. Paka, Pitta Ushna Guna Vriddhi. Daha. This is due to Pitta Ushna Guna Vriddhi. Shushka Vaktrata. Ambuvaha Shroto Dushti Kshaya. Kashya, Vata Ruksha Guna Vriddhi. Jalodhara Upadrava. Chardi, Mutra Sanga, Swarabheda, Aruchi, Pashvashula, Daurbalya, Hikka, Kasa, Trishna, Atisara, Tamakashwasa. Sadhya Asadhyata. Reference Ashtanga Hridaya Chikistasthana, chapter 13. Dosha Sangata Samyuktam Yad Udaram Syat Jalodharam Na Siddhyate Chira Sadhyam Syat Tu Tacha Upashantaye. When all three doshas are vitiated together and lead to fluid accumulation in the abdomen, that is Jalodhara. The disease becomes difficult to cure, that is Na Siddhyati, At best, it can be managed palliatively, that is upashantaye, but complete cure is rarely achieved, especially in chronic or complicated cases. Prognosis type. Disease is said to be sadhya in early stages, young and strong individuals. Kritra sadhya if doshas are mildly aggravated and Agni is not severely affected. Asadhya. Chronic cases, dosha sangata and organ involvement. Chikitsa Sutra of Jalodhara. Dosha atimatra upachayat shroto marga nirodhanat sambhavatya udaram tasma nityameva virechaet. This is reference of Charaka Chikitsa Sana 17/61. Nityameva udaranam samprapti prapnoti. Nityameva virechana should be given. Goal of the treatment is apaham dosha haranam shrota shodhanam, that is removing of accumulated fluids without harming the bala of rogi. Restoring the Agni by expelling bahudosha. Correcting prana, agni, apana by inducing vata anulomana. Once apana starts moving its prakrita marga, all other vata comes into normalcy. Removal of aphama dosha by mutra yukta tikshna ksharadi aushadis. The abda astira kapha samurcha with udaka gets broken by ruksha, tikshna, ushna gunas of mutra and enhances the agni. With the combination of haritaki, which does vata anulomana, deepanam, pachanam, further supports for samprapti vigatana. Takra prayoga, swadu takrasa vyosha is given. Kshira prayoga is also done. Chagapaya, karbapaya, gavyapaya is used. Kshira anupanam for gomutra prayoga. 7 days mahisha mutra followed by kshira with no anna should be followed. For 1 month austrapaya is given, and for 3 months chagapaya along with vyosha is given. Mutra prayoga for sekapana, gomutra haritake is also given. Patoladi churna paya, katuki churna is advised. Udara vyada and jatodaka, that is tapping. As paschat karma, udara vestana is done. Peya without sneha and lavana is advised. And for 6 months, kshira vritti should be given. For 3 months, kshira pana, and the next 3 months, kshira anna. Patya in Jalodhara. Raktashali, Yava, Mudga, Jangalarasa, Paya, Mutra, Arishta Asava, Madhu, Sidhu, Sura, Alpa Amla, Alpa Sneha, Alpa Katu plus Panchamula Sadita Yavagu, Odana, Yusha should be given. Apatya. Odaka, Annopaja Mamsa, Shaka, Pishtakrita, Tillana, Vyayama, Adva, Divasvapna, Ushna, Amla, Lavana, Vidahi, Guru, Abhishyandi Bhojana should be avoided. Toyapanam also should be avoided. Conclusion. Rightly diagnosed is half cured. So, thorough examination of the patient is very much essential for the diagnosis and management of Udara Roga. Jalodhara, which explained in our classics, is very much similar to ascites. The pathology of ascites in modern is based on certain hypotheses which is still being debated. The samprapti of Jalodhara is more specific in our classics, which takes place through Upasneha Nyaya. Among all udaras, Baddodhara, Chidrodhara leading to Jalodhara needs Shastra Chikitsa. Thank you.